Hi everyone, how are you doing? I'm Steve. First of all, welcome to this exclusive review. Stay until the end of this video, and I have an important surprise to share with you. If you're tired of joint pain and want an effective and natural solution without relying on chemical-filled medications, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to reveal everything about Joint Genesis, a revolutionary supplement that can transform your life. If every movement feels like a struggle, if standing up and sitting down has become a challenge, or if you've had to give up activities you love because of pain, then Joint Genesis might be exactly what you need. In this video, I'm going to tell you everything you need to know before you start using it. So stay with me and discover how it can change your daily life. Guys, as I mentioned before, taking care of your joints is essential, especially as we age. If we ignore this, the pain can get worse, limiting our mobility and affecting our quality of life. But this can be prevented. Joint Genesis is made with powerful natural ingredients, scientifically proven to restore your mobility and flexibility without harming your health. It features an exclusive combination of 4 essential compounds that work directly to repair and rejuvenate your joints. And here's what makes Joint Genesis so special. It contains no GMOs, toxins, additives, or stimulants. In other words, 0 harmful chemicals. This supplement works from the inside out, fighting inflammation, reducing pain, and restoring your freedom of movement. Plus, it's 100% safe and has no side effects. If you already feel like your joints are stiff and painful, now is the time to take action. Joint Genesis could be the natural and effective solution you've been looking for. Now pay close attention. The key to amazing results is consistency. To truly eliminate pain and strengthen your joints, you must take Joint Genesis daily without skipping a dose. Since it's a natural supplement, your body needs time to absorb the nutrients, but once it does, the results are incredible. And here's the best part. You get a 180-day guarantee. That's right. If you don't see results, you can request a full refund through the official website, but I'm confident you won't need it because Joint Genesis truly works. It hydrates and regenerates your joints, restoring that essential fluid that keeps your movement smooth and pain-free. A very important warning. Joint Genesis is only sold on the official website, which I've linked in the video description and pinned comment. Do not buy it from any other site. And now, the surprise I mentioned, a special discount just for you who stayed until the end of the video. So don't wait any longer. Visit the official website now, learn more about Joint Genesis, and place your order before stocks run out. This promotion is only valid while supplies last, and they're almost gone. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you a wonderful day, an amazing week, and I'll see you over on the official website for any further questions. See you soon.